hear you. Who's ready to see some animals? Raise your hand and say, me! Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to see the skyline. Everyone say skyline. Yeah, this is one of the new features here at the new Shosan Zoo. We're going to walk on top and we're going to be high up and look down at all of the beautiful animals. Are we ready? You say, I'm ready! Very good, let's go. Please follow me. Let's go. Look, when I tell you that we are going to see some animals today, look at all the animals. Can you see all of the beautiful animals here today? Look at them, they're so busy, so hungry. Look at the beautiful animals. Now, boys and girls, ponies are ponies. Ponies are not baby horses. Baby horses are called foals. So like if you're a dog, a baby dog is a puppy, right? A cat, a baby cat is a kitten. A pony is a pony. A pony is just a small horse. A baby horse is called a foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Let's go. Moving on. Those are capybaras. Down. Let's move on.
Oh, 出来了。
See? Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Yes. Yeah, look at the animal. Don't look at the people. As big as Daddy's car. In fact, when we get a little closer, you'll feel how big they are. They are. Look at them. They're very big. Very big. Really big animal. You know, like it's wearing a crown.
马先，我找一下我的那个。
All of them are apes. You said apes. And apes, there are two kinds of apes. Chimps and monkeys. You say chimps. Monkeys. What is the difference between a chimp and a monkey? Yes, that's right. Very good. A monkey has tail. Chimps do not have tail. So that's it. What did you say, Allen? You saw the gibbon hugging a tree. They must be very good friends. Right? We're good friends. Can you give me a hug?
Gibbon.
Alright, let's move on a little bit. Bye, Gibbon.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
屁股红红的吗？有吗？
有看到。
一群玩具耶，够前面一批啊，这用。哇，够前面一批啊，这玩具。长的啊，我刚看过啊。冒险。
挥手，他也挥挥头，你看他也挥挥他的耳朵。你看看他也挥挥他的耳朵哎。好了，耳朵。哎，尾巴。哎，耳朵。
Yes, Rong, lots of kangaroos. Lots of Green iguana. Dad, did you see the iguana? Raccoon. This is a very big one.
他头在前。要没力了。
那包包阿爸拿。
Very nice. Good job. Very blue, very green. Good luck, Jack.
那他有咬你吗？
Hey, how we doing?
啊，婷宜姐姐跟你坐在一起，对。
You know, I'll be here when you come back.
我还有。
用这个大三项放大版的一个为你相当可爱，并有健康传统，也是珍贵稀有的保育类动物。它们栖息地是在非洲。在下面一点。那个不是越抓越大。
Dinosaur. Up there. I want. You don't want to eat me? Thank you. Thank you for not eating. You go up more. There are lots of different angles to see the tigers in this. That's why it's called Tiger Mountain.
右边点，右边点，右边点。 安全。啊，他在打哈欠了。好，拜。我们下来了。黑色树，然后哪里有黑色树？黑色树是山里。它这边不是黑色树，我羡慕。没有办法看到黑色。好像它整体是要咖啡色。对啊，对
Yeah, Alan, look at the animal. Well, you told me to buy it for you. I will buy it for you. You just have to tell me what you want. Okay. Good job, everybody. We made it through Shosan 2. Yay! Yes, always. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Cheryl, what animal did you like the most today? What? Meerkats. Oh, she started with her favorite animal. What about you, Rong Rong? What animal did you like to see today? No? Jack? What animal did you, what was your favorite animal today? Where did you see a giraffe? Where? What? Elephant. Good. And what about you, Jack? Little Jack? No? Ryan? What was your favorite? Everyone say white tiger. Sorry. Okay, well, mommy, come over. Okay, mommy, you can stand there. Everyone say white tiger. One more. What kind of animal should we say? Camel. Okay. Camel. Capybara. Okay. Lion.
再一个，再一个一转，好，转，对，用力，对，转，继续，好，对，好，再转 ，OK，再转，好，取球口，打开，里面应该会有一颗，
打开，哦，出来了，
大象，
转另外一边，
看看上面有一只，有没有？
转一圈再转，再同一个，
对不对？ 红色应该是那一只，对不对？
再转一圈，转另外一边，再转，不用，看。
哦，跑出来了 ，OK， 好 ，Go，我们要走了，大家往回走了。要走啊，因为我们跟试完。